Let us make a yummy pasta dish with chicken, broccoli, mushroom, and bell peppers, all mixed together in a creamy white sauce. It has 428 calories per serving, containing 34 grams of protein, 42 grams of carbohydrates, and 14 grams of fats. This dish is not only delicious but also a balanced meal option. Let's start cooking. I am cooking 2 servings in this video. Take half of all the ingredients if you are cooking only for one person. First, let's start by cutting the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. I am taking 125 grams of chicken breast here, which will provide the majority of protein for our dish today. I am first slicing it thinly and then cutting it into smaller convenient bite-sized pieces. To marinate the chicken, add salt according to taste. I am using half teaspoon here. Also, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This will help tenderize the chicken and make it even more flavorful. Mix everything together and set it aside. Next, it is time to chop the veggies. Cut the red and green bell peppers into small slices. I am using red and green bell pepper here, but you can use any color of bell pepper which is available in your local market. Now, wash the broccoli properly. Remove the stems and cut it into medium size. Broccoli is high in many nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and potassium. I have 100 grams of closed chestnut mushrooms here, which I am slicing down as shown in the video. You can also use closed white mushrooms here. Next, take 1 clove of garlic. The best way to remove the garlic skin is to press the clove using a knife, and the garlic skin will come off very easily. Chop the garlic finely, which we will be using to bring a little bit of garlicky flavor to our pasta. To cook the pasta, add salt to boiling water so that it tastes as salty as the Mediterranean Sea. Add the pasta and give it a quick stir so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Once the pasta is done, separate it from pot water and rinse it with the cold water to avoid overcooking. We will cook chicken now. Use spray oil, which has only 1 calorie per spray. I am using 3 to 5 sprays here. And then add chicken to the pan. Cook it on high heat for 5 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Cooking on high heat will make sure a crisp surface is formed around chicken and the water is locked inside chicken, which will keep it juicy from inside. Lower the heat to medium and add the red and green bell peppers, a pinch of salt, and cook for 3 minutes till the veggies become a little soft. We don't want to overcook it here, as we want a little bit of crispiness of the bell peppers. Now, add the broccoli and cover the pan with a lid. Cook for another 3 minutes on low heat. Veggies have become soft now. It is time to add in the mushrooms. Give it a quick stir and then cover the pan and cook for another 2 minutes. All the veggies and chicken are completely cooked now. Keep them aside while we make creamy white sauce for our pasta. For white sauce, we will start by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and heat it on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic and stir for 1 minute while making sure the garlic doesn't get burnt. Now, add 1 tablespoon of white flour and cook it for 5 minutes on low heat. Gradually add milk and bring it to a boil. Mix it together and make sure there are no lumps. As it starts to get a little bit creamy, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it together with the milk and let the milk boil for few more minutes. Finally, add the mixed herbs like oregano, Italian herbs, chili flakes, and some salt according to taste. Let the milk cook for few more minutes till it gets even more creamier as shown in the video. Now it's time to add the cooked chicken and veggies which we prepared earlier to the sauce. Give it a quick stir for some time. Finally, add the grated Parmigiano Reggiano and pepperoni cheese which will make our sauce even more delicious and creamy. Next, add the pasta and mix it together with the sauce and veggies for a minute to make sure all the flavors get combined together with the pasta. And that's it. Our white sauce pasta with chicken, broccoli, mushroom and bell peppers is ready to eat. Your creamy white sauce chicken pasta is ready to be served. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.